हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके अपने पसंदीदा यूट्यूब चैनल व्हाइट बोर्ड पर। लास्ट क्लास में हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 12.2 किया था। आज हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 करेंगे सेम एक्सरसाइज का। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 क्या कहता है? अ कॉर्ड ऑफ अ सर्कल ऑफ रेडियस 15 सेंटीमीटर। हमें एक सर्कल की रेडियस दी हुई है यहाँ पे जो कि 15 सेंटीमीटर है। समटाइम्स एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री एट द सेंटर ऑफ सर्कल के 60 डिग्री का एंगल बनाती है। Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segment of the circle. We have to use here pi equal to 3.1.4 and root 3 equal to 1.73. First of all, हम एक सर्कल लेते हैं. Let this is circle and its center is O. Now we take its radius and we join this line. Then we get PQ as a chord and PRQ is an arc. This OP and OQ is given, that is 15 centimeter. The angle at the center is given 60 degree. We have to find the area of minor and major segment. This area is minor segment and the area excluding this is known as major segment. तो first of all हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे area of sector निकालेंगे. We find area of sector, the sector OPRQ, and the formula for this is theta upon 360 multiply pi r square. We have theta 60 upon 360 multiply 3.14 multiply 15 multiply 15 because we have square of 15. This cancel out by 6. And now we multiply 3.14 with 15 into 50. We will get 3 to the 6, 3 5 to 15. That is 3.14 multiply 75 upon 2. So with the help of given radius and the central angle, we find the area of sector OPRQ. That is theta upon 360. Pi r square, theta is 60, we cancel out by 6 times, 3 5 15, 3 to the 6, 3.14 multiply 15 multiply 5, that is 75 upon 2. In next part, I just rub the board, you will do the calculation and find the area of sector OPRQ equal to 75 multiply 3.14 upon multiplying we get 235.5 upon 2 and we will get 117.75 centimeter square. This is the area of sector. Now we have one condition more is given, that is OP equal to OQ, radii of same circle implies angle P equal to angle Q because equal side have equal angle opposite to it. In triangle OPQ, angle O plus P plus Q equal to 180 degree, angle sum property of triangle. In triangle OPQ है, इसमें ये angle O, this P and this Q will give you the sum of 180 degree. That is angle sum property of a triangle. Since we know proved our angle P equal to angle Q and O is given 60 degree plus angle P plus angle P equal to 180 degree. Twice of angle P equal to 180, 60 हमने इधर ले जाके माइनस कर दिया. Angle P equal to 120 degree, 120 upon 2, 60 degree. We get P equal to 60 degree. This shows angle P equal to angle Q equal to angle O equal to 60 degree each. And if each angle of the triangle is 60 degree, it means the triangle is equilateral. Now we get an equilateral triangle and we find the area of this triangle with the help of formula of area of equilateral triangle √3/4 साइड स्क्वायर. तो साइड हमारे पास 15 सेंटीमीटर है और हम इसको निकाल लेंगे. Therefore triangle OPQ is an equilateral triangle. Each angle here is of 60 degree. So we find area of triangle OPQ, which is an equilateral, equal to √3/4 side square, and it is equal to √3/4 15 square equal to 1.73 multiply 225 upon 56.25 multiply 1.73, and further we divide by 4 to 2 to 5, we get 56.25, and on multiply we get this is the area of triangle. This of area of this triangle denoted by green shaded part. Now we have area of sector OPRQ and also have area of triangle OPQ. If we subtract सेक्टर में से अगर हम ट्रायंगल का एरिया माइनस कर दें तो हमें एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेगमेंट PQ मिल जाएगा. तो नाउ वी फाइंड एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट PRQ equal to area of sector OPRQ minus area of triangle OPQ, and which is further equal to 117.75 minus 97.3125, and on subtracting we get 20.4375 centimeter square. In this way we find the area of minor segment PRQ. This is denoted by this portion 20.4375 centimeter square. First of all हमने एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर OPRQ निकाला, फिर हमने एरिया ऑफ इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल OPQ निकाला, और सेक्टर के पूरे एरिया में से हमने ट्रायंगल का एरिया माइनस कर दिया तो हमें ये वाला एरिया मिल गया जो वर्टिकल लाइन से डिनोटेड, इट इज एरिया ऑफ सेगमेंट PRQ. अब हम फाइंड आउट करेंगे एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेगमेंट दैट इज PQ, or we can say denoted by S, PQS. This area is given if we subtract the area of minor segment from the area of complete circle. So first of all we find the area of circle and then we minus the area of minor segment PRQ, then we find the exact solution of it. So you just noted it down. I will at the board of major segment PSQ equal to area of circle, that is the area of complete circle, minus area of minor segment, that is PRQ, and we find out this area of circle is pi 3.14 into R square minus the area of minor sector we have already found 20.4375, and this is equal to 225 706.50 minus On subtracting, we will get on subtraction we will find 6.0625 centimeter square. In this way, this is the required area. In this way, we find the area of major segment also, that is denoted by PSQ. From area of circle, complete pi r square 3.14 into r is 50 given, minus area of minor segment, which we have find out above, 3.14 into 225 minus this, and on subtracting we will get, this is the desired result of area of major segment. This is a different question from the previous question. In this question we find the area of major segment, area of minor segment, while in earlier question we find the area of sector, area of arc, area of triangle, or area of remaining portions. But here we find the area of major segment and minor segment. This portion here is denoted as the minor segment, while this portion is denoted here as, which is denoted by red, as a major segment. Here we have used three formulas: area of equilateral triangle, area of sector, and the angle sum property of triangle. And while doing all our calculation, we find the desired result. In the same way, there are more questions depending on this. We will solve them day by day. Like today we have solved question 6 of 12.2. In next class we will solve question 7 next. Question 7 of 12.2 exercise. Or if you have any doubt other than that movable flow, we can also solve that question on your demand. So you just comment us. Thank you. Bye bye.